Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Bryan, owner of the Watson Housekeeping Group, a Airbnb cleaning company located in Baltimore, Maryland. We also service Washington, D.C. and Northern Virginia. So today I'm going to take you along with me as I do a walkthrough for a new prospective client. All right, so we're here at one of my prospective clients' property. It's a one bed, one bathroom in a high-rise apartment building. The first thing you want to do, right, you want to take a look at the entryway to see how you can access the property. So here, it seems like there's a smart lock over here. So that a host sent me a code to my phone. I'm going to use it to get into the property. Actually, I already have the door open, but let me show you. Let's get the walkthrough going. All right. So you walk into the kitchen. The first thing that you want to make sure that you do as you walk throughout the space is you want to make sure you take pictures. So that way you know exactly how the space should look when you come back and clean, or if somebody on your team comes back and clean, there's no issues. So I'm gonna go through the kitchen. I'm gonna check, see we got toast over here, Keurig. See they have the setup here with the coffee, the creamers. You know, I just keep note of everything that's over here because we're gonna have to restock that supplies. They got the spices right here. 9 times out of 10, you're gonna have to refill those. So I'm pretty sure that they have more in the storage closet. And then you also wanna open up the cabinets to take pictures as well, because you wanna make sure that when you come clean that you put stuff back in the right place. Most guests, they take stuff out and they move it around. They start redecorating like it's their own house. But you want to make sure that you put everything back. You know, just take a look at the microwave. Some see this microwave, they don't have a cover tray in there, so you don't have to worry about it. Some guests do. Just something to take note of. You know, they got the towel right here. Make sure that goes back right there. The oven's pretty clean, which is really good. Paper towels. So one thing is, paper towels are always ask guests how many extra paper towels they want to leave out. You know, so I always look underneath the sink to see what's here. So it looks like we have 1 extra paper towel, some trash bags, some cleaning solutions, dishwasher pods. It's like a dishwasher gel. There's a sponge here, dishwash, detergent. There's a dry mat here. Got the checkout checklist here, which is really good for guests that really help you on your turnover. So I also look in the fridge, see if they leave like any waters out. Okay, so it's 2 waters here. So every turnover, most likely you're gonna have to leave out 2 waters. Freezer, right? So, one of the things that I did miss was snacks right here. So a lot of hosts leave out snacks for their guests. So I just take note of what's being left out, and I also try to keep an inventory of it while we're going through. Open up all the drawers. Got silverware in here, which is really good. And here we got all the pots and pans. Just see how they have it rearranged, you know. Doesn't look like it's rearranged in any specific order. So I don't really pay that too much. Just make it look neat. Trash can is right here. So you walk into the dining room. All right, so it seats 4. Looks like there might be a glass top, so I'll make sure I bring the right materials to clean this. See that desk over here. All right, so you see the design in the living room. It's really nice. You know, we don't have a fabric couch, which is really good. So hair doesn't tend to get caught on these leather couches as much as fabric would. So it's a lot easier to clean. That's just something to note for your timer. Got one TV in here, so we gotta make sure we check that on every turnover. There's an extra blanket here. So you just gotta make sure that if this blanket is used, it's get washed, refolded, and put back right here. All right, so we go to the bedroom. Some hosts do want us to make sure that we check the AC unit. You know, nothing to really note on your walkthrough, but when you're cleaning, just make sure you set it to whatever they ask you to set it to. All right, so we walk in here. You notice a 1 bed, 1 bath. We see that we got 2 beds. So that means we're gonna have to do laundry for 2 beds. It's really nice in here. We got a swan on that bed, so we're gonna make sure that we do a swan after every turnover, and leave it on that bed. Just 1 TV in here. Yeah, so we got a couch over here. All right, you see the couch? See how they got the blanket set up? We're gonna take a picture of that. Make sure we set it up exactly like that every time. And then we go over to the closet. So in the closet, see we got coat hangers. Looks like they keep an extra blanket in there. So I want to make sure that blanket is there every single time. See we got the vacuum cleaner. Nothing too crazy. All right, so we're gonna go into the bathroom. It's a pretty small apartment overall. You know, it doesn't seem like it's gonna take us too long, but you just really want to take note of everything, especially like the carpet in the room. You want to make sure that either you bring a vacuum cleaner that can handle the carpet and the wood floors and these tile floors in this bathroom, or just ask the host if you can use the vacuum that they have here for the carpet, and then you bring your own vacuum for the wood floors and the tile floors to get up a lot of that hair that gets stuck on the floors. All right, so we got a closet here in the bathroom. All right, so we got, looks like 2 towels and 1 washcloth. I think it should be an additional washcloth in here, but you want to just confirm just to make sure that they do leave, in fact, 2 towels and 2 washcloths in this closet rolled up. Come take a look real quick. You see how they're rolled up? You want to make sure that you roll them up like that every single time. You know, or if you have a different design, you know, that you think will look better, you can propose it to the host, and you know, you can do that design. All right, but it seems like they leave out 4 towels total because we got 2 towels right here behind me with 2 washcloths, which is really good. So the bathroom is pretty small, standard sink, toilet. Take a look in the drawers, you know, see what they leave underneath there. All right, so it seems like they leave out, you know, tampons and 2 toilet paper and an extra bag for the trash can. So you want to make sure that you restock that the same way every single time. So look at here, there's 2 razors. I don't know if that should be there or not, but I would just confirm with the host just to make sure. All right, it's the hand towels. Make sure you put the hand towel back out. So come here, look at the toilet paper real quick. So you see how they got the toilet paper folded like that? That means they like to have the toilet paper a specific way. So we got to make sure that we do that just like that every time. Shower, right? Shower's pretty simple, you know what I'm saying? Clean it. They got shower gels here on the wall, so you got to refill this. Body wash, shampoo, conditioner. You got to make sure you refill that. Body wash is kind of like a halfway. So what we would do when we come clean, we would probably fill this back up, you know, so it's more than enough here for the next guest. All right. Oh, one of the things I didn't tell you, so they have a wash and dryer on site. Real quick. What you want to do too, because they want laundry done, you want to make sure that the washer and dryer has these quick wash settings. So I'm gonna turn it on. I think this is the washer. So quick wash, 32 minutes. You generally want to be around 30 minutes or less for the quick wash in order for you to be able to do laundry on site. 32 minutes isn't too bad. You know, let's see, the dryer. Let's see. 25 minutes on a quick dry, which is really good. It means you can put stuff in the dryer and get it out pretty quickly before the wash machine even finishes. So we could probably do laundry on site here. It shouldn't take us too long. Overall, it's 1 bed, 1 bath with 2 beds. It should probably take us about 2 hours max to clean this with laundry and everything, resetting and restocking everything. So we also have the storage closet over here. So what we also like to do too is when we clean a property, if we can keep supplies on site, we do. That makes it a lot easier for me or someone on my team comes and cleans. That way we're not lugging up a bunch of cleaning supplies every single time. And if we need something new, we can just bring that one little thing with us, like gloves or more solution or anything like that, lint rolls, anything like that. We just bring that with us and just put it in there. You know what I mean? So after you do the walkthrough, you want to give them a quote. Most times it's good to have the host here with you, so that way they can tell you, you can ask questions as you go along, but there are times when hosts won't be able to meet you, whether they're busy, they're running business out of state or anything like that. So when it's time to give them a quote, I usually don't give a quote right there on the spot. I usually take my notes, take my videos, my notes, I go back and I put together everything because I got to figure out how long it's going to take to clean. I know it said 2 hours, but you want to factor in how long it's going to clean, the supplies you're going to need, and if you're going to have somebody else clean this. So you want to calculate all your costs and then put that together and then figure out the best price to charge in order to turn over the unit. So 9 times out of 10, they're going to have multiple cleans throughout the month. You know, I wouldn't discount your price based off of that. You know, still charge your price, because at the end of the day, it's going to be a lot of work. And, you know, in order to be a successful Airbnb cleaner, you want to make sure you do quality work that'll keep you longevity, that'll keep you in this business a long time, as well as help you acquire new clients. So make sure you definitely do a good job. But thank you for coming along with me on this walkthrough. I'm gonna finish taking my pictures, and I'll connect with the host from here and give them a quote. Thank you for coming along with me, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully this was helpful. If you liked the video, hit the like button, please subscribe, and I'm gonna keep bringing you more videos. Until next time.